see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I wanna feel like this, but at some point we miss up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop, and as time goes by, I wonder.
Good morning guys. Today is June 6. Punta tayo ng, where are we going? Huh? Where are we going? Kmart. Yung tatlo nasa, nasa, dito na sila sa baba. Kanina pa. Punta tayo ng Kmart kasi nga, bibila natin si kuya ng damit. At saka, may nag-aaway sa likod. Damit tsaka Andes. Kasi nga, di ba, naiwan niya yung kanyang isang bag. Yung isang bag na dala niya, ang laman ay jumpers. Pero wala siyang mga t-shirts, kaya medyas and Andes. So, kaya punta tayo ng Kmart. And si Jan, merong kausap doon. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo. May kausap siya doon. And sobrang lamig na naman. Ooh. Okay. Hey, say Holly, good morning. Saki.
Morning!
Zach.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Ano pa lang? 10:20. Guys, dito pala kami muna sa Anaconda. Kasi titingin kami ng chair, camping chair para sa akin. Kasi wala pa ako. Lakas na naman ang hangin. No, I don't need beanie, ha? Kailangan ko ng beanie. What for? Do I need gloves on? No, you want a beanie, Baba? No, it came at hand. There's more better color. Camping one.
This one's better.
Yeah, I'm bringing this to school.
Nah.
That's for camping. Gloves, Baba. Wala, kailangan ba ng gloves? Kasi sa Wednesday na kami alis, guys. Where's DJ? For only. How about you, Saki boy? Let me see, Baba. Let me see. Yeah, I like that better. Binalik niya yung puti. Hinahanapan niya si Holly ng puff jacket. Sabi ko sa Kmart mayroon. Sabi niya, much better daw dito ang quality. Sa mga pang-camping. Ayan. Ito. Maliliit. Gusto ni Jan ganito. How about that one, Baba? Try that one. Gusto niya. This is nice too. Size 8. Yeah, I like that color. Yes. Yeah. Let me see, honey. Ready for camping, Baba? Cute ng mag-ama. Nice and warm? Yeah. And we have to bring that as well. Babe, that one. Zach, you want this one? Try it, Zach. It's huge. Yeah. Shit, ayaw niya. Shit daw, shit. Ito na lang kaya sa akin. Wala pa kasi ako. Ito na lang, no? How about this one, Han, for me? Yeah, I like this. This is mine.
This is mine.
How about you, babe? Sabi niya, kuha raw ako ng gloves kasi malamig daw talaga dun. Ito na lang. $16 siya. Or black. Black na lang. Kasi dumihin yun. Try natin. Pareho lang naman. $16.99. Babe! 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 Hindi? Holly! How about Holly? Come on, Baba. We'll find you gloves, Baba. Ay, eto pa pala. Maraming iba-ibang kulay. Mura pa dito. $12. Mat mura sila. Eto mahal. Tingin tayo dito. Ay, hindi. Pareho lang. Black. Purple naman. Ayoko naman purple. Okay, come on, Baba. Hindi. Pareho lang naman. Come on. That one na lang, Baba. Yeah, that one na lang. Yeah, nice. Yeah, no, it's alright that one because you got nice pink and blue. Come on. You wanna drink, Baba? Get some drink, Baba. And this. Okay, we're done here. It's gonna fit? Okay. Ako punta ko dito sa JB Hi-Fi. So, okay. Pero meron tayong pipick upin sa city, guys. Kasi wala dito yung pinunta natin. So, mamaya ipakita ko to sa inyo. Nakit tayo ka. What? Yeah. I think so. Ayan. Park tayo dito sa ilalim ng tulay. Ilalim ng tulay. Dito kasi walang maparkan dito sa city, guys. Dito talaga magpapark. Yeah, here. Pa tayo ng ticket. Elevator. Are you cold, Baba? I know, it's freezing, guys. Ito, hindi to enough. Bakang sinisip ko na tayo. Hinahanap namin. Nakapunta na kami dito before. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, pick up na natin, guys. Dito lang sila naghintay sa akin. Come on, let's go. Going up? Okay, Baba. Kain daw muna. Ano sabi mo, Zach? Sabi, Mom, come here, Mom. Kasi andito yung kanyang food. Yum! Which one? The California one? This one? Chicken, pork. Kumuha ko ng mix aburi and seaweed. Tapos yung soya bean. Yeah, thank you. And eto. Yeah, you got... Wow, that's nice. No, it's alright, Baba. You can have that one. Si Jan kumuha na rin siya ng food niya. Good? Yeah. California. Si Kuya, Kentucky. Ito yung akin, guys. Nagustuhan ko doon kasi meron silang squid. Ayan, yung tentacles. And barbecue. Tenders box? Okay. Tenders box daw yung kay Kuya. Okay, kain tayo, guys. Try natin to. Wala man lang na sausawan na binigay. Oh, yeah. Masarap kasi crunchy. Yung barbecue nila, eto. Ang sarap ng barbecue. Sarap, guys. Baka order ulit tayo. Ayun yung mga bata. Ayan na siya, McDonald's yung kinuha niya. Okay, tapos na tayong kumain guys. Punta na siguro tayo ng... No, Baba, go. Kmart or Target para kay Kuya.
I want to get that.
It's alright, Baba. Alright, come on, Baba. Bili tayo ng Coco bago sa Kmart or Target. Ha?
Please, I hope to put it on freezing.
No, it's freezing. That Coco, it's cold. This is not hot drink. Kinuhaan ko si Holly ng mango Yakult na merong coconut jelly. The girl? Who's girl? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, you got one. Hold up for mommy. Okay, let's go. Where's Daddy and the boys? Where are they, Baba?
Exactly.
Come on, let's walk. Sabi ni Jan, I think I like this. Sabi ko, go. Wait. Hoy, come on, Han! Come on! Dito tayo sa, sa Rebel. Okay, go. It's alright. Where are we going, Han?
We're right on this one. Careful, Holly.
Rebel daw nandito sa taas.
7 adults?
Yeah. My God, 7 adults na si Kuya.
Are they big or?
Yeah, a bit big for him.
They're still fit because we got him a bit bigger when we bought
But,
him.
yeah.
But he's...
Yeah, he's still alright with 7.
Try.
Tingnan niyo si Zach. Merong kinuha si Zach. Tingnan niyo naman. Flash niya naman ang kulay. Mahilig siya sa mga bright colors. Yan yung napapansin ko kay Zach. This is the one you have, right? Which? Ah, yellow. Okay.
Just narrow fit and then a bit smaller, but I've got an 8 in the women's.
Oh,
Give it a
women's.
go. If not, we can go smaller in the women's, but it's exactly the same shape.
Doesn't mean it's not
It's BM.
I can put it right next to the...
Okay. Sabi
exactly the same colour.
ni Kuya, women's. Oh, see? Just listen to the lady because she knows. Kasing men, 7. Ayan, women, size 8. It's small?
Go bigger in the women's.
Ah.
Just get an 8 in the men's.
Try 8 men, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, so 8 ka na. My God, Kuya. So, hindi kasha yung 8 women.
Big door.
So, this is 8 men.
Might be better. Will you toe?
Is it too big, I think?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think it's a bit too big.
Too big, yeah. Yeah, too long, Kuya. Ito pala yung suit natin, guys. So, yan yung ating suit for today, guys.
Oh, we don't have t-shirts.
T-shirt yan. Tapos, etong tweed na blazer. Wala tayong nakuha kasi walang size si Kuya. You need socks again. We got lots of socks.
Oh, no, I don't have it.
Yes, dito tayo sa isang sapatosan naman. Sapatosan, ano to? My Fit ang kanyang store. Wala yung black na gusto ni Kuya.
Terrible. I reckon 8 would be better.
Lalabas ulit tayo na walang size si Kuya. Ayun si Jan, tsaka yung boys. Punta muna sila sa car para ilagay yung mga dala-dala namin kasi ayaw ni Jan na bit-bit yan habang naglalakad tayo dito. Come on here, Baba. Or nothing to sit, it's wet. What, Kmart or Target? What do you want? You want Kmart? Kmart, Target? Yeah, Target is... Oh, it's up to you. Sa Kmart tayo, guys. Hanap na siya ng underwear niya. Size 10 or 11, Kuya.
Size 10 to 12.
Yeah, 10 to 12.
Aren't my mum down?
Gusto niya yan. Hoy, look at the size first before you grab it. Here.
I've got these already.
Yeah, it's alright.
Get two. I want some. Mom, these are the pretty ones. No.
You need one?
I'm gonna pick which one.
But you're not gonna wear that yet, okay? We have to wash this one, okay?
I already wore them.
Huh? No, someone just open it. Okay, for Holly girl. Hanapan din natin si Holly. Look at here, yeah. Here.
These ones are mine, TJ, then. 1, 2,
Size 8 to 10. See?
so there.
Here. So find the 10 to 12. 10 to 12.
Where does it say?
How about you, Sak? Here. Here.
Mommy.
What size? Not this one. Why all black, Sak? Asan yung size nito? Yeah, 6 to 8, Sak. You're not 6. Yeah, 6 to 8. 8 to 10. Get the 8 to 10.
There's bunnies in there.
What size is this one? You are 4 to 6.
12 to 14.
No, this is 2 to 3. This is too small for you.
Bunny.
Okay, go, Baba. So, yung boys, wala rin sila nakuha ang Andes kasi walang size nila. Okay, si Holly lang. Yung walang planong kumuha, yun ang nakakuha. Go, run, Baba! Target naman tayo, guys. Ayan. Umabot tayo. Okay. Receipt. I got the receipt. Come on. Kids, boy. Nice and warm dito. Ayan, ang ganda to, oh. 35 yung ano, oh, yung jumper. Tapos 35. So, $70. No, come on. No, we can't, Baba. My God, we watched that million times, Kuya.
That's the new one. I've only watched it once.
Alright. Yung pang kids dito sa baba. Baba. We're not getting toys, Baba. We're here for Kuya TJ's. Kuhaan ko si Holly ng yung floppy na boots. Hindi yung ano, eto, oh. Ganito ba? Pang ano lang niya, pang camping ba?
Get an outfit.
What did you say? What? Get what? For Holly? Here, this Holly, oh. Yes, Baba. Hey, wait. Kuya first. Why you don't like bands, Kuya? Sawa na sila dyan. Since you were little, bands yung kanilang ano, Andy. So, dito na lang. Gusto niya pang ano. Okay. Well, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, get another.
The whole top of
Yeah, get another one. How about you, Sak? You're right, Sak. What, the same? Get the lighter color, Kuya.
I'm not okay.
You're not okay. That one's Kuya. Kuya, that one.
What?
That one. This.
This?
Yeah. I like that color. Huh? Hala, nagubad na siya. No way. I'm not gonna hold that one. No way. Hubarin mo, tapos ako papahawakin mo. Copyright tayo kay Bruno Mars. Okay. Okay, 7. Okay. Get another one, the lighter one, please.
But I'm wearing these.
Both. You can. Yeah, alright.
Getting this.
Alright.
Zach, they're not like these.
Tingnan mo nung kinuha ni Zach. Mahilig siya sa ganito. No green sack. That's not ag. Huh?
Ugg.
Yeah, that's not ag.
Ugg.
No, it's not ag.
Dad, are these Ugg?
No. It's Target, babe. It's Target.
Dog boots. Yeah.
The ag is the brand. Baba,
Yeah, I need some.
you need one, Kuya, for the camping, Kuya.
No, they're not your size.
Not your size?
Size.
Just for the camping. You don't? Okay. Try that one. Is it?
Get perfect.
Is it?
Papa, I don't like this color.
You don't like that color? How about pink one? Or brown one? Just get the brown one so we have the same. I'm gonna get one.
Well, this is sparkly a bit.
Yeah, so what do you want? Hurry up, baby. You like that one? You sure? Okay. How about this one na lang kasi ano, para pareho ba kami? Kasi kukuha rin ako dito yung pang ating pang camping. Wala tayong pang ano eh, walang ag. So eto na lang, baba. Ha? You don't like brown? Why?
Filler.
No? What? It's not fit? Tell me please. O ayaw mo lang ang kulay?
They're up to here.
So, what size 11? So, it's too big for you? Oh, okay. How about this 11? Oh, no. 12. Okay. Try this one. Remove this. Okay.
Ooh,
What?
that is so good.
Good? Let me see. Try it. Alright, okay.
You can move easy.
Okay. Oh, ito na lang na pink. Can you get that clip, Baba? But you need more, kuya. Wala sila masyadong t-shirts. Kaya dalawa lang yung nakuha ni Johnny Boy. Ah, how many? 3.
That's that.
Oh, Zachary. Zachary. What's that? Oh, kuha din si kuya. Ayaw ni Sak na kumuha si TJ na pareho sila. Hoy, it's alright. Ayaw ni Sak na pareho sila. Dati lagi silang pareho. Binibilang ko sila, binibihisan ko sila laging pareho. Ngayon ayaw na nila. Oh my God, si Johnny, bibibilan siya ng toys. Ayoko na ng toys kasi madami na siyang toysan. She got a lot of toys at home.
I don't have any.
Kuya, you don't need toys, yeah. No, wala kang mapili, no? Wala, kasi wala naman talaga ikaw kailangan, Baba. Come on. Ito kasi si John. Anong small? Something small daw.
He's too off.
Yeah, there's nothing.
Too off.
Just look at it. What's that anyway?
You open a lid and then
There's nothing.
a toy in there.
Si John din kasi.
Layer of bottle caps in
Ano, there's nothing, right, Baba?
cycles.
Come on, Baba. Holly, come on.
Oh, soft.
Gusto niya yan.
Oh, there's nothing. No practice with that and then I'll be able to...
Baba, what you got?
Mom, hurry, quick.
Oh, ayan. Baba, let me see. Ano, hindi ko. Ayun yung nakuha niya, guys. Oh. Kuya, come on. So, ito yung totoong, ag. Size 9. No, it's too big for me.
Put this in.
Oh, it's size 9. How about that one? Can you get that one, Sa?
This one.
Yeah. What size is this one? Pero ayoko nito. Ayoko yung style. Yung ano lang kunin ko. Kasi gusto kong bumili nito. Yung gustong-gusto ko talagang ag. Hindi ito. Kasi hindi yan. Wala ang lalaki, guys. Kahit yung regular ang lalaki. Meron sila dito yung ganitong style. Pero hindi siya ag. Yung parang ano lang, ganyan lang. Try ko kaya to. Kasi
Dad.
para maging warm. Size 8. I'll try.
Can we just have that instead?
Kasi sa pupunta namin, guys, sobrang lamig. Gusto ko ganito, yung totoong ano sana. Ag, pero wala sila. So, ito na lang muna.
Better at have what's it called?
What?
At
How long's that?
Dad, what about my color's better?
Let's go.
See, Dad.
I have to scan this first.
I'm scanning all the dots.
Yeah, wait, Sak. Wait, start muna. Where's the start? Okay. Hi, Holly, where's your toy?
No, I want to use it. I just want you to put
Ah.
this in the bag.
To Target Assisted Checkouts. If you have a
Alright,
Target
Sak.
card, please scan it now.
I just have to check.
TJ, you have to put it there.
Have some security check.
Okay.
So I just have to take off some.
Yes. Go. Go, Sak. Not too close, Sak.
See it, Mom? Why, where is it?
That one. Ako na nga.
It's not working.
Okay, put that one. Don't.
My turn.
TJ, put it that one. Put it there. Hold, TJ. Okay. Let Holly do hers. Yeah, you will do that, Baba. And this one, Sak, ha? No. The barcode, Sak. Inside, inside. Yeah, yeah. That's it. Just one. TJ, can you help him, please? Baba, give this to Kuya Sakto. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Si Sak. Ayun na si Sak, oh. Okay, get that. Give it to TJ. Okay, let Holly do hers. Let Holly do. Barcode, Baba. Not too close, Holly. Not too close, Holly. Hurry up. Good girl. Okay. It's my turn.
I don't want to do it.
What? You gonna pay?
Oh, no. I want to put it here.
Okay. Alright. What? Punta raw ako dito. No, I'm not coming here. Too dangerous. Kanina din sinabi niya, babe, look. What? Balik na tayo sa car park, guys. Uwi na tayo. Hiningal ako. Come on. Hinahabol ko sila. Kasi ang bilis sila maglakad. Ayan. That's nice, babe. Close. Wait lang. Come on here, hon. Where's Ollie? Ah, akala ko gusto yung tumingin ng sapatos. Yeah, dito tayo. Kanina galing. Ayan. Country Road. Bayad na si Johnny Boy ng park. Okay, let's go. Holly.
I'll press it, take.
5. Press it, 5.
5. Press it down. Ready has.
Here.
Ready has.
Ah, okay. Insert nyo lang yung card. Kasi nakabayad na tayo. Open. Alright. Let's go back to the hotel. We are lucky nakakuha tayo ng park dito sa labas malapit sa entrance. Ano? Yung back door to ng hotel. Okay. Thank you. Nag-aagawan sila mag-press. Dito naman. Agawan na naman sila. It's alright. Come on.
It's too late.
Balik si Kuya sa baba. No, stay here na, Holly. Kasi yung card namin hindi nag-work. Balik si Kuya sa baba. No, stay here na, Holly. Kasi yung card namin hindi nag-work.
Let me try.
No, it's not working ya. No, it's not working.
Stop.
Tingnan mo.
He always never lets
It's not working, Sak. I know what happened.
Uncle Dustin's mom and dad are here too.
Ah, are they? Oh, it's not working na naman.
That's two.
Ayan, finally. Okay. Where
Get ready.
are you going, babe?
Yeah.
Ah, nakaligo na siya. Oh, naligo siya ulit.
Where is he going?
Nowhere, my love. Where's the car?
I don't know. Hi, look at me, babe.
Where's
No.
the car, TJ?
I gave it to you.
Si Kuya naman maliligo. Sinusukat niya. Bagong ligo siya. And si Sak. Ayan, si Sak! Bagong ligo. Guys, sakay tayo. And yung dalawang boys, hindi na sumama. Kasi magpipick up lang naman kami ng food. And nagpalit na pala akong SD card. kanina, isa yun na binili natin sa JB Hi-Fi kasi nga yung mga SD card ko full na, tsaka yung iba hindi na pwedeng gamitin, sira na sila. So yun, pick up tayo ng food. Biglang bagsak ng ulan guys, and alam nyo ba, sabi ni Jan sa akin, pag nawala raw yung parking namin doon malapit lang sa may sa may pintuan ng hotel, lagot daw ako sa kanya kasi bakit daw hindi pwedeng ipa-deliver. Sabi ko, yun ang sabi, bawal daw, hindi raw pwedeng i-deliver kasi medyo malayo. Kailangan pick up. Dito na kami guys sa Seoul Express. Diyan natin pipick upin yung food. Ayan, buti lang may parking dito. Mabilis yung park dito. Pero puno din naman sila. Okay, see you later. See you later. Ayan si Huli, nakatulog siya. Oh. Andun yung coco, pero may coco na ako. Yan, dito tayo. Dito na tayo guys, and kailangan ko itong ipakita sa kanila. Ayan yung number natin. Hi! Dito na tayo guys, and kailangan ko itong ipakita sa kanila. Ayan yung number natin. Hi! I'm here for pick up. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. Ayan na guys, ang food natin ang dami, ang bigat. No, look at there, go. Just check. Okay. Here.
We're not parking there, we'll park undercover. So we've got to pack everything in the morning.
Alright then. So, nawala na yung parking namin doon guys. So, dito na lang. Hindi na ako paghintay yung mga bata. Ayan na yung ating mga rice. Ang daming rice. Kasi alam niyo naman yung aking mga anak ay mahilig sa, I think so. Yes. Ayan, yung chicken. No, it's alright, that one. Baba, what? That's mine, Baba.
Sit this on the table. Oh, it's like this.
No, TJ. My goodness. Do you think? No, yeah, that's right. Ayan yung chicken. And, kaya medyo natagalan ako kanina. Kasi nag-order akong extra soup. Tapos kimchi. Ano, it's good? Ayan, ang rice, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, 6. Kasi pala yung ano.
There's 5.
Ay, 5 only. 5 rice. It's on that table, Baba. How is it? Good? And meron din akong chicken. Kasi ano to, guys? Dapat, ano to? Hiniwalay lang nila. Combo yan eh. Merong spicy. Just wait, Holly. I want you to eat food before you drink.
What's that?
This is spicy chicken. Ayan yung spicy chicken.
Do you like that?
Ayan yung spicy chicken. And andito yung soup. Natikman ko to doon kila Ray's. Nung pumunta kami kila Ray's. And nag-crave talaga ako. Yes. And the kids loves the chicken. Just bone soup. No, I want you to eat first, Baba, before you drink your cocoa. Mayroon din, nalala niyo yung in-order namin cocoa. Baba, can you put this in the fridge? Because I will drink this later. This is my dessert. You can share this with Mommy.
I don't like frisbees.
Drink, sige, put it back then.
It's cold. Oh, how is this so heavy to hold? Mom,
Kain tayo, guys. Nagugas ako ng kamay. Yes?
I want the chicken soup.
Yeah? This is the pork soup. Yeah. What's that? Pork. What's that, Sam? Don't eat it. And can you please make sure you eat it clean, like, okay? Don't waste it, okay? Please?
I don't like it clean.
What you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you. Is why you always wanna be around her, be around.
yung tira. Meron pa tong chicken, yung sweet and, hindi siya sweet and sour, basta yung matamis na chicken. Tapos, ayan pa yung beef. Hindi ko siya kain-kain ng mais kasi ang lit ng kutsara natin. Tapos, ayun yung extra soup, hindi nagalaw kasi nga, wala tayong kutsara, guys. And yung kimchi, hindi rin nagalaw. And, ayan, excited na siyang kumain. Ay, uminom yan. And may rice pang tira na dun sa bag. No, it's not okay. Inumin na namin yun kasi kanina pa siya dyan. So, yung cocoa natin, hindi siya nakalagay sa transparent na container kasi naubusan daw sila. So, kaya dito siya nakalagay. And yung aking katabi, kanina pa talaga to. Okay, you can put your straw na ba? This one. The sharp one. Just like this. Look at mommy. Ay. I think I have to do it, Baba. Go. Oh, wow. Yes. Yeah.
Delicious.
Mango Yakult to sa kanya eh. Mango Yakult. May coconut. Sarap.
Is there any jelly in here? Yes.
Sarap.
Guys, we're gonna close the vlog. Thank you for watching our vlog. Please like, please subscribe. Haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Bye.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.